Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another baked good. This one is a cola cake, a cake made with cola, which sounds weird, and it's a very unique recipe, and the cake turns out to be like so soft and moist and airy and very light, and surprisingly you don't really taste the cola. So it's a very easy recipe, and let's just show you guys how to make it. So to make this chocolate cola cake, you're going to need 4 eggs, 120 grams of sugar. You can also use 100 grams. Here we have a hot chocolate mix, and we have 60 grams of this. 200 grams of flour, 120 milliliters of oil, 120 milliliters of cola, which is what will make it fluffy, 16 grams of baking powder, a pinch of salt, chocolate extract. And we have here 2 creme dessert chocolate. You can use Danette, but like we're using this lactose-free soy. Our first step is in a mixing bowl. We're going to put in our eggs, our sugar, and our salt, and we're going to mix that really well. So before we start doing anything else, we're preheating our oven to 170-180 degrees Celsius. So after mixing it really well, this is what it should look like. The volume has doubled, and the color has become a lot lighter. So now we're going to add in our oil. So now we'll slowly add in our oil. So after we've mixed in and incorporated in our oil, we're going to add in our hot chocolate mix. And we're going to just mix it around like this, otherwise it will just like the dust particles will fly up and hit your face, and we don't want that. And so we're going to do an equivalence of like a teaspoon of chocolate extract. We're just going to use a cap to measure this. And now we're going to mix that really well. Mixing in our chocolate powder and chocolate extract, we're going to add in our cola, similar to how we added our oil, just slowly, so that everything incorporates really well together. So now we mix in our dry ingredients, and that is just the flour and our baking powder. And now we start to slowly add in our dry ingredients, but we sieve them really well, and we mix them using a whisk instead of an electric mix. Mixing in our flour, this is the consistency, and this is what it should look like. So now we're just going to pour our mixture into our baking tray, which we've already greased and lined with parchment paper. You can use any mold you like, round one, squared one, it doesn't matter. So after we've poured in our mixture, we're just going to take our creme dessert, and we're going to use only 1 pack, and we're just going to pour a few spoonfuls, I guess, just randomly, because it will incorporate later on when baking, which is what will make it moist. Now we're just going to lightly tap it at least like about 3 times against the surface, and we're going to bake it for 30 to 35 minutes while constantly keeping watch on it. So we've placed our rack at the second shelf, and now we're just going to bake our cake. And the heat is now only like from the bottom and not the top. So after we took it out of the oven, this is what it looks like, and we didn't like put the temperature on like the top part, but still it rose, and as you can see, it's very fluffy. So now we'll just test if it's cooked. So as you can see, it comes out clean, which means that it's cooked. So now we'll just let it cool down. So after it has cooled down, we're going to just spread the remainder of our creme dessert or something like that. And we'll just spread it around the cake, and then we'll cover it with cocoa vermicelli or the chocolate sprinkles. So this is what it looks like after we've chilled it, and as you can see, it's very soft and fluffy. Like you can squish it with your hands. And I think this is mainly because of the gas from the cola, so that gas just like aired it and made it very airy and light and fluffy. So let's try a piece. So it's more soft and moist than I have like expected it to be. And also, like, you don't really taste the cola. Like, personally, I don't really taste the cola. I taste the chocolate, but I don't taste the cola, which I think is a good thing because cola in cake may not taste that good. At least I think so. It's very soft and airy, and this could be by far my favorite cake, so I highly recommend trying it. So this concludes today's video. Again, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!